age. She said there's no time to be shy, no matter your age. This is the story of a young, gifted and black girl, oh yeah, who was looking for a way to express herself among this man. So you know how good it feels when you manage to emerge, when you're gifted with a blessing or a curse. Then grab the mic to taste the sense of freedom. But be careful not to confuse courage with wisdom. Oh no sorrow, you can't stop us. All you see will be stars. Together we face all our fears. It's a family affair. Hoi, 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 hoi. So far so good, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Consistently I work on myself and on music. The time is up for me, my friend, to be foolish. Now I'm a woman, you see my friend, I have a lot to give. Today I feel so free, so free. Why? That's what my auntie used to say.